Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Are you dreaming of a grand entrepreneurial dream and vision? Are your dream and vision stuck in the same rut? Have you been stuck with the same problems and challenges for years? Are you searching day and night for answers to your problems and challenges? If you know the answers, are you having trouble taking action? If you keep on doing what you were doing, you will keep on getting what you had got. If you want to break through this maze, join the IRDM community. My name is Nitin Salkar. I am working as NLP psychotherapist and career intellect coach. My focus is to develop learning and career intellect of students and entrepreneurs. Today's video is about marketing myths and realities. Are you worried about high attrition rate of clients, earning profit, low market share, business scalability, customer is preferring competitors, missed opportunities, loyal customers, customer relationship and retention, strong brand? Simple reason is every business needs a marketing plan which you lacks. Your marketing plan fails simply because you are not aware that customer is not aware about his problem and your product and service is solution for it. The range of customer awareness about his problem and your product and service is as follows. Unaware. Customer is not aware that he has problem. Problem awareness. He is aware about his problem. Solution awareness. He is aware that solution exists. Product awareness. He is aware about product is exists. Buying awareness. He is now ready to buy. The problem is you simply prepare same marketing plan for above various types of clients. Each stage is having different concerns and objections raised by clients, so you should have different marketing plan for above categories. Hence, you should be aware about the overall definition and purpose of marketing. A simple definition of marketing is making your client aware through various marketing channels that you, your product or service, and your organization is existed at a particular place from where he can buy product or service. Hence, there could be various purpose of marketing such as making client aware about your professional expertise, features and unique selling point of your product or service, why your product and service is better than competitors, your various offers, customer relationship and retention, franchisee opportunity, so that sales will increase and your business will grow. A marketing strategy is yearly and long-term plan to connect your suspects, prospects, customer, loyal customer to buy your product or service through various marketing channels. Key components of marketing strategy is doing marketing research to define target customer, your unique selling point, why you are superior than your competitor, content in the promotion, deciding marketing channels and marketing budget, collaboration with other businesses, getting feedback from clients, etc. Once you decide your marketing strategy, next step is to decide your marketing channels. It depends upon your budget of marketing. Generally, there are two types of channels, offline and online. Offline channels which involve human touch such as appointment of salesman, participating in events and exhibition, arranging events for clients, appointment of public relationship consultant, word of mouth publicity, referability strategy, appointment of distributor retailers, appointment of affiliate partners, etc. Online channels involves social media marketing, print and electric media, mail marketing, blogging, articles, etc. Once you decide your marketing strategy and channel, next important step is to develop marketing skills such as doing research to identify root problems and challenges of clients, and then visualization and designing content and context writing of message, communication, negotiation, and collaboration skills, thinking such as creative, critical, logical, analytical, etc., listening skills, questioning skills, etc. You should be aware of various technologies and artificial intelligence platforms related with marketing. You have to design marketing plan as per following steps. Lead awareness. In this stage, you have to aware your client about you, your professional qualification, your product and service, your location, your unique selling point, testimonials of past clients, etc. through online or offline marketing channels. It will build the confidence about your client to choose you and your company. Lead generation. In this stage, you have to prepare Google form, survey, questionnaire, etc., along with your promotional material, which will focus on the various problems of clients. In this stage, client will take action to contact your organization to buy your product or service, but he will not buy from you. Lead conversation. This is the stage where your client will buy product and service from you. You should be upgrade yourself with communication, negotiation, and selling skills to convert the prospect into client. After marketing promotion, you have to assess marketing plan as per following steps. Suspect you meet per month, number of suspect converted into prospect, prospect inquired for product and quotation, prospect respond to your proposal and quotation, prospect bargain for price, immediate buyer, buying after some time, repeat client, reference given by client, satisfied client, unsatisfied client, income per month, expenses per month, marketing expenses per month, profit per month, income per suspect, income per prospect, income per customer. After this assessment, you will get confidence to increase your marketing budget. Simple outcome of marketing should be to build the community of customer who will remain loyal with you. They will act as brand ambassador for your organization. Once you build the community of brand ambassador, it will reduce your marketing cost. It will help you to scale up the business. It will strengthen your brand in the market. You can enter into different industries with different product and services. One of the prominent marketing expert quotes that the main business of every business is marketing. Thank you. Did you like the subject and the purpose of the channel? Then like the channel. Do you want more information about this? Then subscribe to the channel. There is one beautiful quote. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. If coming together will create harmony and opportunity, then share the channel. If you have any questions or problems, post them on the WhatsApp link in the channel. Answers will be given in brief. Thank you.